Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is QuoiaLen if this is your first time here. If not, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, I was supposed to be doing a Flexi rod set today, and that's what I did do. However, it was a complete and utter freaking fail. So yeah, these are my finished results. But if you want to see how we got here, just keep watching. Okay, I am back, y'all. I've been sporting the straight hair for a couple of days. Actually, no, that's a lie. Conjecture. Yeah, like I was saying, I've been wearing my hair straight for the last couple of weeks, actually. And yesterday I got hit with rain and this happened, and I didn't want to put any more heat in my hair, so I'm here to bring you guys a Flexi rod tutorial. Yay! But yeah, so that is why we're here today. I miss filming, you guys, and I'm also going out tonight with my big sister for her birthday. I have crap in my hair and it's not dandruff. I was having my mom decorate the Christmas tree, and you know how like some Christmas trees you spray paint them so it look like they got snow on them? Well, one of her trees got all of it and it's all in my hair. When it is time to wash my hair, probably gonna re-straighten it for Thanksgiving, and then I'll go back curly after that. So before Thanksgiving, I'll be bringing y'all a curly to straight video. But yeah, so all you're gonna need for this look is some Flexi rods and some mousse. And my mousse of choice today is the Texture ID Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. See that? I usually use the Lotta Body one, but I don't have any, and I went and stole this out of my mom's bathroom. So if it don't work, we're gonna blame my mom. But yeah, it's gonna be super easy. I feel like everybody knows how to Flexi rod their hair by now. I mean, if not, like, what you doing, sis? But yeah, this is how I want my part. So my camera's this way, but my mirror's this way. So if y'all catching me looking back and forth like that, that is why. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna separate my hair into two sides, the two sides that it's already parted in. And I'm gonna put one side away, of course. And I'm gonna start with this side. So here we are. It's really gonna be simple, y'all, and I'm not taking that small of a section because I want them to be pretty big. So yeah, that's where I'm at in life. So I guess maybe I'll split this one into two. Yeah, we'll see how this one goes, and I might split this section into two. So I'm gonna just take some mousse. I'm not gonna over saturate my hair because I want it to be dry by the time I leave. So I'm just gonna put some mousse on, comb it through. Focus on the ends, of course, because I need those to stay. And with this, I'm just gonna literally put it on here and roll up like a roller set. My hair was cut into some long layers, so parts of my hair are shorter than the others, but this is all I'm doing. And boom, secure that into position, and that's it. That's literally all I'm doing, y'all. And I'm gonna do that around my whole head. I will show y'all one more time. separate the hair. It doesn't have to be neat sections because it'll take it down anyway. Take about that much. And I'm trying to go as fast as possible because, again, I want my hair to be dry by the time I go out, and I still have to do my makeup and stuff. So yeah. Mousse about 2-3 pumps because my hair is thick. But it doesn't, even 3 pumps of mousse still doesn't overly saturate my hair because my hair hasn't reverted yet. You just want to apply enough so the style can actually sit. Focus on the ends because you don't want those looking a mess. Everything else curly but your ends not. Make it make sense. Again, your Flexi rod. Mine are a little bent because I do Flexi rod sets all the time. But straighten it out. Oh, hear my face. Put it on the bottom of the rod. Oh, this is why you should not have long hair, people. This is so much easier to do with short hair. I'm just gonna roll this baby up like a burrito. And you want to keep it as taut as possible because if not, it'll start to bend like that. And then you have to take it down like I just had to do and redo it. I am still gonna sit under the dryer for a little bit just so the style can really set. I don't want to have any issues because I'm the type of person, if my hair don't come out right, I'm not going. Not even gonna lie to y'all. And I fold these up and it locks into place. Y'all, that's literally it. I'm going to see through and do the rest of my head and I'll come back when I'm done. But yeah, like I was saying, this is the completed look. I'm just gonna sit under the dryer for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. And I'm gonna do my makeup before I come back to the camera to show y'all the final results. That way I can be ready by the time 7 o'clock hits. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna drive because I like driving places. That way I don't have to wait on other people to leave. But yeah, I'll be back to show y'all the finished results. I'm done doing everything else that I need to do. Be right back. Oh, let me take this out. But yeah, y'all, I am back. Face is beat or whatever, and I think my hair's dry. We're gonna cross our fingers and pray because, I mean, once I take these down, it's over with. So yeah, this beat is brought to you by Too Faced. And the Jackie Aina palette. Y'all, this is like my go-to palette when I go out. When I do anything, really. But anyway, yeah, so let's see how my hair has turned out.
Everything, the cheat code.
Like, honestly, this side is bigger than this side. Like, I have no idea what happened there. But we're just gonna keep it pushing or whatever. I mean, I only did something to my hair just to do something. Like, after today, it's going in the puff, and then I'll be redoing my hair and showing y'all how I get my straight hair. I guess I think I just did smaller sections on this side by accident. But I mean, it is what it is. I don't really care. I ain't trying to be fine for nobody because my nigga not here. So it is what it is. It's just gonna be all big. It's definitely not dry. It's definitely not. It's not. But watch how I finesse this. Watch. Cause your girl is finna finesse this hair, okay? I'm finna finesse it. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Like, this is sad. Watch how this one dry, then this one didn't dry, but this one dried, and this one, what the fuck? Like I said, watch how I finesse. I finesse the plug. I got extra drugs. Ain't that what he said? But anyway, I'm here to show y'all how to turn this into something beautiful. Mess right here, but this is fire. Why? This is a joke. Okay, I was gonna show y'all how to finesse this shit, but I don't have to, cause it's already finessed. Tripping and finesse, ayy, it don't make no sense. But no, y'all, I'm finna fluff this out. Separate. Pull this shit apart. I'm really mad. This shit would have been fire too. I ain't mad, cause fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Fuck it, okay? Ugly. But this cute. I mean, if it would have came out right, this shit was gonna pop, okay? This shit was gonna pop. Boom. The finessery. The finessery. Period. Period. Okay? So my hair did not come out how it should have. However, I'm natural. It's raining, so it didn't need to be perfect anyway, because it would have poofed up any the fuck way. We're gonna revisit this hair, well, this hairstyle in a couple of weeks, maybe. I don't know. IDK. Whew. Like, if this would have dried overnight, bitch, but I'm still fine. Period. Y'all see how low my stool is? Hold on, let me fix the camera. So, this I had to fix the camera angle. So, y'all, this is the failed Flexi Broad set. This is for all my people who think my hair always comes out 100 every single time. I'm here to tell y'all, I make mistakes too, okay? Look, this is what I get for trying to do my hair 2 hours before I gotta go somewhere. But it's okay. It's okay. It's still cute. I mean, somewhat. It ain't the worst thing I done seen in my life. Ooh, cause I done had some terrible, terrible days, okay? But luckily, I can work with this, okay? But yeah, y'all. For all the people who think my hair always comes out great, this is living proof that it does not. I make mistakes too, but we have to finesse it and go about our life, because it's not the end of the motherfucking world, okay? It's hair. It's hair. It's hair. But this shit would have slapped. Okay? This would have slapped. Okay? If it was right. But yeah, y'all, this is the completed video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. I mean, enjoyed my fuck ups, because I fuck up, okay? I'm human. I am not a hairstylist. I've only been natural. Okay, I've been natural 5 years, but I don't really do nothing outside of perm rostets, twist outs, or straightening and wash and goes. Like, that's all I really know how to do. I don't even know how to braid. But yeah, y'all, I mean, this would have slapped, okay? I know I need to stop saying it, but this was gonna slap. It was. It is what it is. Take me as I am or not at all. I'm probably gonna twist this back, hide it, and call it a day. So oh my god, this is gonna be such, like, this is gonna be so funny to edit. So anyway, y'all, this is the completed failed flexi rod set. If you like this video, if you enjoyed watching me fuck up for once in my life on my YouTube channel with my hair, then give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed to the QuoiaLen family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell right next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl make an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.